accidental studies and remedial measures suggested in 3 major junctions in Chennai and mapping the vulnerable zones by using GIS. We are doing the project in Highway Research Station at Guindy. As we are the project team guided by Mr. Sadish, Deputy Chief Engineer. Next. Abstract. From our project, the road accident scenario in the country is a matter of great concern as it has developed into a major social, economic and health problem. Rapid increase in the number of motor vehicles as the major reason for the increasing number of road accidents. In our country, several safety programs, developing vehicles, technology and new motor vehicle act, etc. are considered, planned and implemented to control the impacts of road transport injuries. Thus, we are going to find out the main causes of road accidents occurring in 3 major junctions in Chennai and suggested some remedial measures and also mapped by using GIS. Introduction. No one can put a price tag on a human life, but there is a loss to the family, to the community. Every time a person is killed or maimed or temporarily out of action in a road accident, every year more than 2 lakh people in road accidents around the world. About 70% of these fatalities are reported in developing countries like India. Higher annual rate of increase in vehicle ownership, lower rate of improvement in on-road facilities have made the accident scenario worse. Recent report from the traffic investigation wing says that in Chennai about 80% of the accident occurs at 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. These are considered as peak hour objective. Our objective is to reduce the annual rate of accidents and to save the life of the people and the property. And the infrastructure of the road is not designed well and good. Modified infrastructure of the road based on traffic volume count and strength of subgrade soil by using IIT Pave 1.1.5 version software with reference to IRC 37/2012. Methodology. We have collected the data from the various zones in the Chennai, like ICF, Solingalur, Avadi. On that we collected the pedestrian volume count, traffic volume count, and road dimensions and existing pavement designs, analysis and suggested recommended. Type of accident. Type of accident is fatal, grievous injury, minor injury, non-injurious. Types are engineering defects, non-engineering defects. Engineering defects based on 4 categories: 4 geometry design, insufficient like signals, lack of signals. Non-engineering defects: encroachment, violation of traffic road signals, lack of road safety awareness programs. These are the literature review we have collected from the data collections. We already said that we are collecting data for 3 zones: Avadi, ICF, and Solingalur. This is the clear picture of Avadi zone, and the 1 week pedestrian volume count at Avadi zone is calculated and tabulated in the figure, and the fluctuations of pedestrian volume crossings are plotted with respect to time and population. This is the traffic volume count data for Avadi for 1 week data for 12 hours, for 24 hours, and the fluctuations of traffic volume count are graphed by using time and number of vehicles. The lux value of Avadi junction towards OD is calculated and drawn. The black line indicates that the below the black line, the zones are considered as vulnerable zone because a minimum value of lux should be about 6, but in some of the major spots the value is less than 6. It is considered as vulnerable zone during night time. And lux value towards Avadi Tiruvallur as the same is calculated, and lux value at HVF road towards Welltech towards Savadi is calculated and plotted in the graph. Lux value towards railway station is also calculated and plotted in the graph. These are the photographs that we are collecting the data. The odometer indicates by using the odometer we are collected the geometric properties of road, and by using lux meter we have calculated the lux value at this spot. The details of accident from RADMS website. From this data, there is a rapid increase in accidents, total number of accidents, due to cost of living. At ICF junction, this is a satellite image shows the junction, exact junction of the ICF, and that we have collected the data for Solar's data, correction volume count at ICF junction, correction volume count in ICF junction, graph shows the population versus time. Traffic volume count we are collected at the ICF junction, which shows the population, the number of vehicles versus time. This is lux value collected from the at that junction towards Steel Park. It shows the minimum value of black line shows the minimum value of lux value luminosity. The direction towards Padi, which shows the ICF RADMS website. From that we collected the accidental details at that junction.
This is the map which shows the Solinol junction, and this is the data which are collected at Solinol junction. These are data which represent these are data which are collected for every 15 minutes. This is the graph for the data. These are the traffic volume count which are collected in Solinol junction, and the traffic volume count is collected for every 1 hour, and we are collected for 24 by 7 weeks. These are the lux value which are collected during night. These are the graph for the lux value data. Factors affecting road traffic crashes. Types of road and road users, environment and road related factors like road geometry, design, visibility, diversion, etc. These are the photographs which are collected in net, and this shows the overload of vehicles which causes often accidents. Junction improvement techniques. Road intersections are the critical elements of road sections. Bottleneck for smooth flow of traffic. Major accident spots. Design of safe intersection depends on human factors, traffic considerations, road and environmental considerations, and economic factors. Measures to enhance road safety. Next. Cause of road accident and the remedial measures to be explained by my friend Antaramal.
Avadi junction. We have collected the data from the odometer readings and traffic CVPD from the traffic volume count. We affirmed the 16,000 commercial vehicles per day per week at Avadi junction, and we have collected the data from odometer, the width of pavement 15 meters, and camber of carriage width 2.5. Seeker value also calculated at that junction. Luminosity is very poor and very poor visibility. It has remedial measures based on the capacity of vehicle at 2014. The future growth of vehicle and the width of the carriageway is increased to 21 meter as per IRC 37/2012. Height of median about 1.1 as per IRC 37/2012. Subgrade soil is strengthened to about the permissible value and the width of the pavement is increased to a permissible limit.
As per the design, seabed value explained by my friend.
For the total volume count, the seabed value is is about 1.6 to 2.9 at the various parts of road at the road, but it is not safe. Based on this sense of the seabed soil, the road geometry will be good. So we are going to increase the seabed value to about the permissible level near to 20 by using 15% of lime. Design of road infrastructure based on the following criteria.
Design of the flexible pavement is done by using IIT-based software. The software is established by IIT Kanpur and also approved as good software. For designing the road infrastructure by Indian Highway Department at 2014, this software requires some major parameters for the design. Next. Seabed value for the subbed soil at the various spots on the site, and the seabed value must be greater than 3.
We are
Depth of about 250 mm should be provided. For the design, a depth of 250 mm should be provided. Hold on, next is.
Based on luminosity, the branches of the trees are want to cut and have good visibility. Next. According to IRT recommendation for footpath, width of the footpath should be 1.5 to 2.534. Capacity in one direction. Suggestion recommended to the junction. At our junction, provide pedestrian sidewalks of about 2 meters. Construct subway or pedestrian bridge. At our ICF junction, avoid unnecessary overload vehicles to ensure the safety aspects. At Chennai junction, subway suggested from common feature and also recommended for zebra crossing. Culture based on non-engineering defects. Next. Thank you.